Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into Hostinger and opening the H panel for the domain. Once logged in, go straight to the SSL section under Hosting. This is where certificates are issued and managed. Make sure DNS is already propagated and your domain resolves to Hostinger, otherwise issuance will fail. If you plan to use a custom certificate, have the private key and cert files ready. This step gets you into the exact interface where validation and installs begin, so don't waste time on unrelated menus. Once in the SSL panel, pick your domain and either enable Auto SSL or choose Manual Upload. If you upload, paste the certificate, the matching private key, and the CA bundle in the proper fields. Hostinger expects PEM format. After submitting, the system will validate domain control. This can be instant or take minutes. Make sure there are no mismatched keys. A wrong private key causes installation to fail. Keep an eye on the status messages. They tell you exactly what step needs attention. Complete the process by visiting your site with HTTPS and inspecting the certificate via the browser lock icon. Check issuer, validity dates, and subject name. Once done, run an external checker to verify the chain and grade. If you see warnings, make sure DNS points correctly and that no old cached redirects force a different host. If the certificate shows mismatch or invalid chain, reissue it in Hostinger or re-upload the correct key and bundle. One key troubleshooting tip. If validation fails, clear any temporary redirects and retry issuance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.